Nausea and vomiting in pregnancy is something that women dread, and you should not be prone to experience if you haven't started experiencing pregnancy symptoms yet. But about 80% of pregnant women will have this particular symptom. So it may happen to you, it may not happen to you. So that is why this video was created, to help women know how to cope with nausea and vomiting in pregnancy. This is something you are interested in and you want to know more about, so watch this video till the end. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm Dr. Cherit, and I talk about all things pregnancy, family planning, preconception, and all those female reproductive health teas. Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are going to jump right next into the video of today. So here is how to cope with this disturbing feeling of nausea and vomiting in pregnancy. Number one, do not wait until you are hungry before you eat. The thing is, before you got pregnant, you could bear hunger and you are normal. But now in pregnancy, don't wait until you are hungry before you start looking for what to eat. Eat before you get hungry. Number two, try out new foods. Because of the sensitivity of your nose, and you start finding some food smelling very funny, foods you used to like before, you just don't want to have anything to do with them. Because of this, you should try out new food. Don't limit yourself to the normal foods that you have been eating. Try out new foods. Who knows, it will be something that you'll be able to eat without having nausea or without having the feeling of vomiting. Number three, if you're among the women that used to rush their food, this is not good for nausea and vomiting in pregnancy, because you are going to vomit. If you are going to be eating your food, eat slowly, eat mindfully. If you are drinking water, drink water slowly. Take the water in sips. Why women find it difficult to take water in pregnancy, and they say, okay, they throw up anytime they take water, it's probably because they are gulping this water down as though they were not pregnant. Now you are pregnant, a lot of things are changing in your body, so you should know how to adjust and cope with these changes. The fourth thing you can do is avoid eating cold foods or hot food, whichever one. Some women say they cannot stand eating cold food that is not hot in their first trimester. Some other people, the only thing they want to eat is food that is stone cold, coming out from freezer. They can eat that kind of food, but once it is hot, they don't want to have anything to do with it. So find out which one works for you. Is it that if you eat hot food, you notice it worsens your nausea, or you eat cold food and it makes you feel like throwing up? So find out what works for you and stick to it. The fifth thing to do to avoid or cope with nausea and vomiting in pregnancy is avoid your triggers. Stop forcing yourself to eat stew. If stew makes you throw up, look for something else to eat. You are not non-pregnant anymore. Now you are pregnant, so you just have to cope with this thing. Avoid those foods that you typically would eat and enjoy before now, but now makes you get nauseous. Just avoid them so that you can prevent this nausea and vomiting feeling. The sixth thing you should be doing is to eat frequently. So because you don't want to wait until you get hungry before eating, and you don't want to overfeed yourself, because overfeeding can also make you throw up everything you've eaten, eat small quantity frequently. Eat all through the day. Healthy foods, or just take the food a little bit more frequently, so that there's always something in your stomach that your stomach is working on, because an empty stomach is going to trigger that nausea. Number 7, have fruits handy. I made a video about the fruits you should be eating in pregnancy, so if you haven't watched that video, go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. Those fruits, get 1 or 2 of them and have them in your house, because when you wake up in the night to pee, hunger will come. That's not the time to start looking for something sweet or sugary to eat, because you still want to maintain a healthy weight in this pregnancy. So having those kind of fruits handy will help to quickly alleviate that symptom of hunger and nausea when it comes at odd times, because you have a snack with you that you can easily eat at those moments. I hope you're getting the point. Conclusively, to wrap it up, these 7 things are based on people's experiences. Now, what you can do is to also study yourself and to find out what works for you. But these 7 things I have mentioned, you would find out that doing 1 or 2 or 3 or the 7 of them is going to help you cope with your nausea and vomiting. I know you've learned a lot from this video. Why not subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more videos like this, and hit the notification bell button so that you'll be the first to know when I post my videos. Thank you for watching and staying till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.